Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this awesome looking headphones. This is called WH700NB and it's done by a company called Edifier. This bad boy is Bluetooth and you can connect it more than one device at the same time. On top of that, the battery on this lasts you over 68 hours. On top of that, this has noise cancellation. And I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Make sure you click the notification icon, select all in order to get notified once we have a new video out. And on top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. In here are all the components that are part of the box. It comes with this little manual which will be telling you the importance of the safety information. It's all going to be inside of it. It's a little thick. It has different languages mixed to it. It also comes with this user manual. Now this is a full user manual for the Edifier WH700NB and you can see the information there. Now as soon as you flip open is the English, but then it will tell you how you will be able to pair it, turn it on and off, also reset it. The dual device functionality, yes, you can connect it more than one device at the same time, and also charging and how you will be able to play all with the settings. So it's all going to be over here. And then when you go to the back, it has more information on how you're going to be able to get assistance if you ever need it. Also, you can contact with them through the social networking places, and more information is right underneath of it. It also comes with this charging cable, which is a USB Type-C going to a regular USB 2.0. So this way you can connect it and get it charged very quickly. And here is the earphones. So this is how it looks. It's inside of a plastic so it doesn't get scratched up, but you can take it out. And this is how it looks. I really like this design that they have placed. It's very nice and soft. Same thing on the top part. And this is how it really looks. And this is how much you can flip it. You can put it down. I really like how this has been totally designed. All right, so going from one side, you can see their logo is right over here. Looks like it's plastic and you cannot bring it up. But from here, you can make it big or small. So this way it will fit your head. And this part is also nicely cushioned, so this way it sits on your head properly so it doesn't really bother you. There are some information on this side. And then when you look on this side, there's nothing here. There are some markings that will tell you if this is the right side or the left side. And it's really nicely indicated there, but it's very small. And both sides, you have their logos. And then when you look in the back, there's no writing here. That makes it very nice and simple. This does look really slick and it is very nicely designed, as you can see it right now. Now when you go to one ear, which is going to be your left side, there's not much around here. You can see that. There's just a little hole over here that looks like that is for the speaker so you can talk. For the mic so you can talk, but nothing else. Inside of it also, it's really nicely cushioned and it's really nicely set up so that way when you put your ear to it, it doesn't get really damaged or it's not going to hurt your ear. Looks like this is plastic. And then once you go to the right side, it's the same thing. You can see their marking is right over here, and then the actual cushion inside of it is really cool too. And when you go around, you have your volume, you have your power, and then volume down, and then you do have the little pairing button, you have your charging, and then your mic is set up over here. There's nothing around that I could talk about, and this is how it really looks. To turn it on, you have to press this middle button for a couple of seconds. And you will see that the green light is blinking. That means now it's going to look for pairing. So now in order to pair, we have to scroll down and then go to Bluetooth. And then if you scroll up, it should be on the bottom. And it's right over here. We will select it. Takes a couple of seconds. It will tell you to pair. So click pair. And now it will tell you that it got paired and has 90%. So if I have to go to the wheel, it will tell you calls and audio is connected to this. Just like the other phones, you're also going to get rename, disconnect, and also unpair, showing at the bottom because this is an Android phone. And now let's go through and test it out to see how good this will function for us. So now we will test to see if it's gonna stop or not. So the same power button that we turned on, if we have to press it once, the video stops. And then once you press it again, it should start. That's not only thing, the volume down and volume up button also going to function for you for volume. For the volume, this is how it works. You just have to press and you can see the volume going up or going down as soon as you press it. Very nicely done. Now if I have to press again, you can see that how fast it pauses the video and it plays back. So that means is that it works perfectly when you are functioning with those options. Now for this part of the video, I am wearing the headphones and right now I'm recording it through this camera itself. But once the sound changes, you're going to get a little indentation right up here that says that the voice is coming from the actual headphones. So when you are going to get a call, how it will sound, now we're going to test it out. So we will start. And this is how it sounds when you are going to wear your earbuds, or in this case, headphones, to test it out. So this is really good. Again, for me, it sounds that it is not that bad, but I do have the ANC or the active noise cancellation is on, so I cannot really hear that much unless it is going to show up. But this is how it shows right now for me. I hope you guys like it, and I'm just gonna stop and go back to this camera right now. And this how it really sounds when you're going through and listening to a song, and then you get a call, and this is how it will sound. So when you are going to listen to certain music, it has really good bass to it. I really like how this has been designed. On top of that, the voice quality on this is a lot better than the other ones that has been marketed. And what I also like is how this has been designed on, it's going to sit on your head for a longer time. Even if you want to do gaming, this will be perfect. And on top of that, the battery on this is phenomenal. You only have to charge it for a few minutes and it will last you a long time for it to go through. But on top of that, what I really enjoy is the sound, and it's still going to sound a lot better than the other earbuds and headphones that I have tested before this. All the links will be available at the bottom of the video where you can order it from, except that this was our take. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.